So remember when I played Imposter? That video was bad, but today we're gonna try something new. Too bad they still have the computer. Oh, blue, my favorite. Shh. Yeah, they even copied the sound effects. Okay, AC, are you ready?
What color are you?
Blue.
Oh, you're blue? I'm lime green and I have a crown.
Yeah. Okay, I have to do this one first.
I feel like Black's faking task already. I feel like he's just standing there. Oh wait, the taskbar went up. Never mind. Okay, I'm doing upload. Purple.
Okay, I already done the task. Okay, now I have to go to medbay. Some bit scan.
It's not purple. Purple was with me alone, and he didn't kill me.
Who's the imposter? Do you know who it is?
No, it's not purple.
Blue might be safe.
I am.
It's not purple.
Yeah, you keep telling me that, but that's kind of sus if you ask me. I have no
suspicion.
I'm not too sure.
Purple was with me alone and did not kill me.
Huh.
So let's skip.
Someone say I'm just gonna vote white. You're white.
Yeah, but they're saying that so they can get out the game. That's themselves saying that.
I'm voting.
You voted.
I voted them anyways. Yep, you're right.
They just didn't want to play.
Yeah.
They probably.
Then
Wait.
Why don't they just leave the game?
Exactly. I'm going with purple because I know purple's safe. I also need to do this task. Purple.
I'm going to
Purple.
submit. I'm going to scan.
Okay, and then after this, I'm gonna do cards.
Okay.
Okay, purple. When I'm around purple, I know.
I already finished the second half. Oh no, I'm locked out. Oh, never mind.
Uh-oh. I only trust purple right now. Purple is my only ally.
I accepted. It accepted my amazing talent. Hang on, I'm gonna look at the admin.
Dang it.
Okay, are you in lower engine?
No, I'm in O2.
Oh, okay.
Just finished my O2 task. Now I gotta do more garbage.
I'm asking because I'm in admin.
Oh! Pink just got Pink killed. Pink didn't kill.
Who killed? Who killed you? Do you remember?
I do remember.
Purple?
It was Pink. I lied.
Pink.
It is Pink.
Is sus.
No, they said it's not. No, it's not purple. It's not. Say it's not purple. 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 Why did you vote purple? Purple was my alibi.
I thought I was your ally. I thought I was.
No, I didn't trust you. I only trusted purple because purple didn't kill me.
Wow.
I still didn't know if you were one of the other imposter, but now I know you're not. Remember,
Yeah.
Pink is sus. Pink is right outside the room.
I actually just skipped by Pink, so thank gosh I'm safe.
I'm following you. I'm following you.
Pink's right there. Pink's right there. Oh no. Pink.
I was also.
No!
See? Wait! Somebody actually saw Pink kill. They saw Pink kill. That was dumb of you, Pink. That was actually dumb of you, Pink. That was dumb of you. She literally saw him and still killed him.
Ha ha ha. I can hear Among Us.
Oh! Pink has. Pink, I killed.
Yo.
Don't in front of somebody.
Okay, I'm gonna go to hats.
Kind of obvious.
No, I have to.
Dun,
My
dun, 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 dun.
gosh. 3, 2, 1. Joe, Mama.
I want to play. Can he be a imposter? I'm the imposter. I feel like that joke is getting old. Is that joke getting old by now?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. I feel like that joke is getting old by now, where I just say I'm the imposter. I'm not actually the imposter.
Yeah, you. Every time we play Among Us, you always say that.
Yeah, and then I end up not being the imposter. Wait, no, I don't have a task. Bro, get this Roblox bar off my screen. Ah!
Bruh. So I'm saying it's orange. Who's orange? Lit one.
Okay, we gotta vote orange. Thank God you called a meeting. It has to be orange. He said orange almost killed him.
2, 1.
I don't trust you, bub. I do trust Brown though. I don't trust Brown. I don't trust Brown. Maybe he did that just to get rid of orange. Like, what if he only did that just to get rid of orange?
Yeah.
Press- When I see you, I'm gonna ask you to do something. Oh God!
Ah! No, I don't want to look at you.
I want you to follow me.
Ah!
No, I'm not the imposter. I promise. I promise that I'm not the imposter and I'm not gonna kill you. I just want to see if you're the imposter.
I'm not the imposter either. I promise.
Okay, follow me. Follow me. Come into the electrical. I want you to come in here. I want you to stand. I want you to stand on the vent and press E.
I'm pressing E.
I need to hear the clicking. Okay. That makes it clear that you're not the imposter.
I told you.
And I can prove it too. Okay, let me go on the vent.
And click.
Yes. Hold on.
Click.
Hold on. I'm gonna plug in my keyboard just so you can hear it. Okay, plugged it in. You hear that?
Yeah, I hear it.
Okay, that means I'm not the imposter. Do you know I'm clear?
Yeah.
That means if we stick together, you can trust me.
Okay.
Promise.
Okay, I'm gonna do my admin.
Yes!
Wait, so you pressed the number key on your keyboard?
Yes. Actually, no, I didn't. I used my gaming key.
Wow. I'm not gonna fall for that next time, okay?
And I actually crossed my fingers when I promised.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna end the video right here, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!